I'm at Clayton Homes Grand Junction, Colorado, and I am going to rate kitchen islands. Come along with me, it's gonna be awesome. This is the Blue Bonnet Breeze by Sulphur Springs, and this island is gorgeous. Take a look. So this island has seating on both sides and shelving underneath. So another really cool thing about this island, it has 4 of these deep pot drawers. So that's really cool. So given its size and the fact that it has so much storage and versatility with the island seating, this island is a 9. This island is in the Anniversary Islander. Now this is a single wide. A single wide having an island like this, that's pretty rare. So given the fact that it has seating and that it has a really nice large tabletop and that it has cabinets, I gotta give this island an 8. Alright, so we are in the Prestige by Fleetwood. Now this island is great for 2 reasons. This island has 2 levels, perfect for seating, and the best bit, this island has a massive farmhouse sink. And that's probably one of my favorite things that an island can have. So I might be a little partial here, but I'm gonna give this island an 8.5. This is the kitchen in the Champion. Now this island is a little bit on the small side. It does have island seating, which is super great. But what this island is missing is size. It's just so small. It has some cabinets and some drawers on this side. So given the fact that this island is a little on the small side, you know, I think I'm gonna give it a 7.5. Is that fair? We are in the Hazel. Now this is a Bonneville home. Take a look at this island. It is absolutely gorgeous. Cabinets and seating right here. And then on each of the 2 sides, there are little shelving units. How cute would that be for cookbooks? And then on this side, there are 3 drawers and 3 cabinets. Now get this, this is the best part. Soft close. Okay, given the size of this kitchen and this island, this is an absolute 10. We're in the Celebration. This is a home by Karsten. Take a look at this kitchen. A little on the small side, but has big, long drawers on this side. And right over here, there is some island seating. Like I said, a little bit on the small side. So I'm going to give this kitchen, let's give it an 8. I think that's fair. So this might be another one that I'm a little bit partial to, but we are in the Sycamore. This is a Bonnevilla. Look at this island. So granite countertops, soft close drawers. That soft close action, and there are 2 large pot drawers on the island, as well as cabinets on this side. So given the fact that this is such a beautiful island, and I mean, like, look at this kitchen. This is an 11. This is an absolute 11. This is my favorite island. Thank you for rating these kitchen islands with me. If you think I got any wrong or you want to weigh in, let me know.